7 ways to fight with depression naturally without medication. Depression is a serious medical condition that is mostly commonly treated with antidepressants or through change in your lifestyle. If you have ever experienced depression, then you feel sad every time. The person who is in depression lacks interest in everything. They may be poor appetite that results in weight loss. The most common symptoms of depression is trouble sleeping. The person feels a problem in getting sleep or sleeps too much when he is in depression. The person is not able to make decisions in lives in a state of guilt. There are ups and downs in lives, but that is natural for everyone, and it does not mean that you start using antidepressants that are not safe at all and have serious side effects such as anxiety, upset stomach, weight gain, sleep problems, and others. However, you should find some other positive ways or activities to treat depression naturally without medication. Number 1. Schedule a healthy sleeping pattern. People suffering from depression should work on their sleeping patterns because they are often deprived of sleep in this state. When your mind will be in the rest, then you have the energy to do your work with an active mind. 7 to 8 hours of consistent sleep is necessary for everyone. Having enough sleep at night will lead to an active mind and an energetic body. Number 2. Exercise. Regular exercise is the best way to treat depression naturally. Exercise helps to reduce stress levels and improves depression symptoms. Basically, exercise is a safe way to work on depression rather than taking antidepressants. 30 minutes of regular exercise every day must be scheduled. It will also help to overcome your sad feeling or mood. So, regular exercise in moderation is the key to fight depression. Number 3. Spend more time outside. The people suffering from depression should go outside and spend some time with the nature, as it is a natural way to lower the stress hormone levels. The people who stay inside for a longer time feel upset and sad. Enjoying the sunlight every day makes you relaxed and increases dopamine released in the body. Number 4. Healthy diet. Whatever you eat or drink has a great impact on your overall health. A healthy diet must include veggies, fruits, and complex carbs. The people who wake up late and skip their breakfast have a poor routine that leads to bad health. You should eat the right kind of food and must avoid junk food and energy drinks that further increase depression in people. Number 5. Mindfulness. Mindfulness is a therapy that practices meditation sessions and counseling for depression. With this therapy, the patients stop using the antidepressants after a few sessions of this therapy. The patients are counseled to live in the present moment and should stop worrying about the future. Number 6. Schedule positive activities with friends. People suffering from depression feel alone with the best thing to overcome with this loneliness is to spend time with your friends. You must schedule positive activities with the right mood. Take your time and get involved in the activities with everyone. You can also follow any healthy hobby every day which will give you a pleasant feeling that is enough to beat depression. Number 7. Focus on your relationships. Number 7. Focus on your relationships. I am sure everybody has the best buddies who are there to cheer you up when you are sad. Whenever you feel lonely, try to find someone who feels pleasure in spending time with you. In this way, you will feel better rather than feeling lonely and staying home. Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.